Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to go through a few more page kits that I put together from Vicki Boutin's Where to Next. So I've pulled just 2 sheets of cardstock or pattern paper. So this was kind of yellowish. And I've got these 2. We're going to be doing that photo right there. And we've got all kinds of fun stuff to go with it. So this is going to be short, only 2 kits, because I'm just trying to get things completed. And video is up for you guys while I am on my work trip. So you see I went a little bit smaller in the beginning here, and you will see the next few. The next kit, I believe there's going to be more. And then I kind of went crazy. So we've got that kit right there, which is nothing to complete. So that'll actually just be one and done, hopefully. Next one is going to be this fun one right here. So a little bit more crazier, and then I just went like out of control. So this will be the last one that we go over in this video. Like I said, short, sweet, and to the point. So we've got these 3 pieces of paper, which also coordinate with the back side, so we can get plenty of pattern paper use. Then we pulled in 2 of the greens. On the back side is that which will not be used. Mostly pulling in that leaf paper. All kinds of fun stickers, chipboard, some shoes, little love and life kind of fun stuff, some butterflies just with the greens and the teals in this one. Not real sure, that was just kind of fun, so I pulled it. Little pieces here. We got some luggage, some sightseeing, little wanderlust. Pulled in those leaves there. And just a few more bits. And then here are the photos that I'm going to be doing with that. And that's going to do it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.